Lutron's Caseta lamp dimmer kit, model P-BDG PKG2P, comes with 2 lamp dimmers, 2 remotes, and a smart bridge. This kit is for controlling table and floor lamps. The dimmers work with dimmable LEDs, dimmable CFLs, halogens, and incandescent bulbs. Each dimmer has 2 sockets to control 1 or 2 lamps. The remote controls allow you to control the dimmer without Wi-Fi, so you're not slowing down your Wi-Fi. The remote has a stand, so it can be used wherever you are, or the remote can be removed and mounted on a wall with an optional wall mount bracket. The remote has a favorite button for a saved light setting. With the Smart Bridge, the dimmers can also be controlled with an app on your phone, Apple, Amazon, and Google smart speakers, Ring, Serena, and Sonos devices. With the app, you can control and check the status of your lights, turn your lights on and off on a schedule, or set it to random so it looks like someone's home when you're away.